This production line is used to produce saj bread and Turkish lavash bread, in addition to tandoor bread, with a production capacity ranging between 2,000 and 3,000 pieces per hour. It is an integrated system for producing large quantities of bread with high quality. The line relies on specialized technologies to accelerate and improve the production process while maintaining quality. The dough is transferred from the mixer to the cutting machine to start the automated production of saj bread. The dough moves towards the preliminary proofing stage, where it is rested for approximately 10 minutes to prepare it for the flattening and rolling stage in both directions, shaping it into a complete circle with the desired thickness. The diameter of the bread can be adjusted from 15 to 35 centimeters. After the flattening and rolling stage, the dough is conveyed on a long belt toward the oven, where the temperature can be fully controlled, starting the baking process for saj bread. The bread emerges fresh and ready to eat or store for sale in stores from the other side. The production line is certified with international food safety and quality standards and is shipped worldwide with the option to customize features according to the buyer's needs and the import regulations of the destination countries. A 10-meter cooling conveyor is included with the line, and it can be extended upon request. For more information, please feel free to contact us at the following numbers.